Is it the right time to buy or sell Intel stock? In this video, we'll be taking a deep dive into Intel. Our initial report was published on our website on Tuesday, January 30, 2024. Now, we're here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Make sure to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You wouldn't want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions with our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and get free price predictions and deep analysis for any one of the 25,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since January 26, 2024, our system has identified Intel as a sell candidate, with a score of -1.04. Now, let's delve into the stock's performance during this period. Intel experienced a loss of -1.67%. This means that on average, the stock has been losing -0.56% per day since it was marked as a sell candidate. Based on the current 3-month trend, there is a potential 23.1% change coming up in the next 3 months. This means there could be a return between 23.1% and 56.16%. Looking at the 12-month trend, we might see a 59.97% change over the next year. This could result in a return between 39.99% and 95.65%. To put it into perspective, the price range after a year could be between $60.08 and $83.97. Our latest update on Intel brings you the headline, Red Day on Tuesday for Intel stock after a decline of 2.1%. On the last day, which was Tuesday, January 30, 2024, the Intel stock price dropped by 2.1% from $43.84 to $42.92. Throughout the trading day, the stock fluctuated by 2.17%, reaching a low of $42.89 and a high of $43.82. Although the price has increased in 7 out of the last 10 days, it is still down by 8.8% during this period. Interestingly, the trading volume decreased along with the stock, which is generally considered a positive sign. Specifically, the trading volume decreased by 4 million shares on the last day, with a total of 47 million shares traded, equivalent to approximately $2.03 billion. Looking at the past 52 weeks, the highest price of the stock was $51.28, while the lowest price was $24.73. Currently, the price is 16.29% or $8.36 below the 52-week high. Furthermore, it is 38.06% or $26.37 below the all-time high, which was on January 24, 2020 when the price reached $69.29. Analyst ratings. On Monday, January 29, 2024, Goldman Sachs gave Intel a sell grade with a hold action. On Friday, January 26, 2024, Oppenheimer gave Intel a perform grade with a hold action. On Wednesday, January 24, 2024, Cantor Fitzgerald gave Intel a neutral grade with an initialize action. On Friday, January 19, 2024, Tigris Financial gave Intel a buy grade with a hold action. On Monday, December 18, 2023, Needham gave Intel a neutral grade with an upgrade action. Analysts have given Intel stock a general rating of neutral. They consider the PE ratio and price to book to be neutral as well. However, when it comes to return on investment, the analysts give the stock a buy rating. Today, let's take a closer look at the signals for Intel stock. Currently, there are few to no technical positive signals for Intel. Both short and long-term moving averages indicate a negative forecast for the stock, suggesting it may be a sell. Additionally, the relation between these two signals shows a general sell signal, with the long-term average above the short-term average. Keep in mind that on corrections up, the stock may face resistance at $46.59 and $46.97. However, if the stock breaks above these levels, it could issue buy signals. It's worth noting that a sell signal was issued from a pivot top point on Wednesday, December 27, 2023, resulting in a 15.45% decrease in the stock price. Further decline is expected until a new bottom pivot is found. Additionally, the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, MACD, is currently showing a sell signal. On the last trading day, both volume and price decreased together, reducing the overall risk as volume tends to follow price movements. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence, it's a sell signal. Pivots, it's a sell signal from 23 days ago. Bollinger, it's a buy signal from 1 day ago. Short-term moving average, it's a sell signal from 4 days ago. Long-term moving average, it's a sell signal from 4 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages, it's a buy signal from 2 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, here's what we see. Short moving average, it's a sell signal from 4 days ago. The long-term moving average, it's a buy signal from 65 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages, it's a buy signal from 210 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to find more signals. Today, let's talk about support, risk, and stop loss for Intel. Intel currently finds support from accumulated volume at $42.35. This is an important level to watch as it might provide a buying opportunity. Typically, when a support level is tested, we can expect an upwards reaction in the stock price. In terms of risk, Intel has average movements throughout the day. With good trading volume, the risk is considered to be medium. Yesterday, the stock had a price range of 93 cents between its high and low, representing a 2.17% fluctuation. Over the past week, the stock has shown a daily average volatility of 3.09%. Before we jump into discussing potential trading levels for Intel, it's important to review some key fundamental data. Let's start with the price-to-earnings ratio, also known as the P/E ratio. This ratio compares a company's current share price to its per-share earnings. Intel's P/E ratio is currently quite high, indicating that the stock may be overvalued. However, it's not uncommon for technology companies or those with significant market potential to have such high ratios. Moving on to other news, Intel's next earnings report for Q1 2024 is expected to be released on April 25, 2024. Now, let's take a closer look at some potential day trading levels for Intel. If we observe an upward trend, the first resistance level for Intel is at $43.35. If you don't currently own any shares, it might be wise to wait for this level to be surpassed before considering entering a position. However, if you're already holding the stock, this level could be an opportunity for swing trading. On the other hand, if we experience a downward movement, Intel faces its first support level at $42.35. If this support level holds, it could potentially serve as a favorable entry point, with the expectation of a rebound. The average rating for Intel from multiple analysts is neutral. Now, let's take a closer look at some recent insider trades. On December 29, 2023, Yuri Frank D. conducted an insider buy of 141,791 shares of phantom stock units. On December 29, 2023, Smith Gregory D. conducted an insider buy of 62,189 shares of phantom stock units. On December 29, 2023, Goldsmith Andrea Joe conducted an insider buy of 522,388 shares of phantom stock units. On December 22, 2023, Gelsinger Patrick P. conducted an insider buy of 13,063 shares of common stock. On December 22, 2023, Gelsinger Patrick P. conducted an insider sell of 6,477 shares of common stock. Based on the 100 most recent insider trades, we've calculated the insider power to be negative with a ratio of -8.138. Overall, insiders purchased 337,967 shares and sold 403,532 shares in the last 100 trades. We have analyzed this stock and unfortunately, our evaluation is negative. It is important to note that no stop loss has been set for this particular stock. Is Intel stock a good buy? While the Intel stock has shown some positive trends recently, there are several negative signals that suggest it may perform weakly in the near future. Therefore, our evaluation of this stock is negative. Our analysis indicates that the current price is undervalued, based on the volatility and movements observed during the last trading day. Looking ahead to Wednesday, January 31st, we anticipate Intel to open up at $43.21, with an increase of $0.290 from the previous close. Before we begin, it's important to remember that trading carries a high risk of financial loss. It's always advisable to consult with a financial advisor before making any decisions to buy or sell securities. Please note that StockInvest.us should not be the sole basis for your investment choices. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment decisions. Welcome to Stock Invest. Today, we'll be discussing our current view of the stock. We value your opinion, so don't forget to comment below and share your thoughts. What target do you have for this stock? We're excited to hear from you. If you enjoy our content, remember to like and subscribe. Our team wishes you successful trading and a beautiful day. Thank you for joining us at Stock Invest.